Hello and welcome to Gizmo Guru. This is the Sony Xperia Tablet Z and it's an amazing piece of hardware. Sony deserves a lot of credit for the design of the tablet. It's incredibly sleek and also unbelievably light and waterproof as well. The 10.1-inch screen looks great. It's a full HD display and the colors and contrast are lovely as well. Now over here, there's a slot for the micro USB port for charging and also on-the-go cables, and over here you've got your micro SIM and micro SD card on the bottom. Also, Sony has managed to get a 6000 mAh battery into this sleek design, which is pretty impressive. The battery life is also excellent, particularly because it comes with the same battery saving features that Sony has used for the Xperia Z smartphone. The rest of the hardware inside is also top-notch. There's a quad-core CPU running at 1.5 GHz, there's 2 GB of RAM along with 16 GB of internal storage. Plus, Sony is also giving a free 16 GB micro SD card, so you're effectively getting a 32 GB 3G 10-inch tablet. There's also an infrared blaster over here, and so you can basically use your tablet to control your TV, your set-top box and a lot of other devices. Also, so it didn't recognize the Tata Sky DTH set-top box, but training it to learn the right frequencies took less than 5 minutes, so it's pretty effective. Now, there is an 8 megapixel camera in the back and a 2 megapixel camera in the front, so for video calls, which work well. It's far too big to use as a camera really, but if you don't have anything else handy, you can trust that the image quality will be fine. In terms of hardware, it's easy to love the Tablet Z. It's a little awkward to hold at first, but you get used to it. And it's also super light. But the overall Android tablet experience is still lacking. For example, tablets are great for gaming, and that's an area where the iPad has a definite lead. And even in everyday usage, the iPad still does give users smoother, better performance. The gap isn't huge anymore, but there's still enough of a difference that someone will notice it in day-to-day use. So yeah, in short, this is the best Android tablet I've ever used. It's a tablet you can take to the beach. You've got sand on it, just pour some water. You want to tweet from the tub? Well, go for it, I guess. But at a price of Rs 46,990, the tablet doesn't really represent value. It's cheaper to go for a 32 GB iPad, and the experience and the app catalog is a lot better there. Sony's done a great job with the tablet, but they still need to do a better job on pricing. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.